What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best gaming PCs under $1,000 in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you're looking to pay the lowest possible price tag and still get a product of quite solid quality, we say the topic for you is the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. Thanks to its irresistibly low price, this product deservedly won the title of the best ultra-cheap gaming PC under $1,000 available on the market in 2021. HP Pavilion is equipped with an Intel Core i3-10100 processor with 6 cores, 8 threads, and maximum turbo frequencies of 3.6 GHz and 4.3 GHz. We're looking at a slightly weaker processor than the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 and slightly more powerful than the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. As for the GPU, this system features the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super, which in turn is a slightly weaker graphics card from NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 and slightly more powerful than AMD Radeon RX 550 XT. This computer has 8 GB of RAM, but in terms of memory, it only has 256 GB of NVMe SSD storage space that can be upgraded. Another important point that sets the HP Pavilion apart is its appearance. No shiny RGB, tempered glass, or shiny holster. Instead, it comes in a rather minimalist black plastic case with a green LED accent on the front. However, this is not a bad thing, and probably the reason for the more than acceptable price. If you are ready for upgrades and overclocking, and fancy RGB is not important for you, then the HP Pavilion TG01 1022 is a fantastic option that will cost you less than expected. Furthermore, this product boasts compactness and adaptability, thus saving space and also allowing you to upgrade to LED lights. And you will enjoy games without any problems with Bluetooth 4.2, as well as the latest Wi-Fi 5 VLAN adapter. For the listed price, we are beyond impressed. If you are in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say check out the iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming PC, the best value of gaming PCs under $1,000 available on the market in 2021. The iBUYPOWER Pro is one of the most cost-effective computer settings today. Because the computer is game-oriented by design, it can naturally support settings for multiple monitors, and you'll be able to work and play at incredible speeds. The AMD Ryzen 5 3600 is a cheaper processor in the category of medium CPUs. Compared to Intel Core i5 Coffee Lake refresh processors, the Ryzen 5 3600, combined with simultaneous multi-threading, delivers higher base speed clocks. AMD Ryzen 5 3600 modeling technology has moved the CPU from a 12nm manufacturing process to 7nm. This has improved usability and clock speed right from the start. The built-in features have also made it possible to increase CPU memory control capabilities, and it's now immediately available to processor cores. Also, thanks to the ability to download RGB motherboard software from the manufacturer's website, users will now be able to set and customize colors to their liking. There is also a unique side panel design that keeps all essential components cool and allows for efficient and proper airflow through the system. Additionally, the iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming PC provides users with expandable storage, as they can easily add the desired memory via SATA ports or Open M2. This product uses the Windows 10 home operating system. For the listed price, you can't beat it. The next product we'll talk about is the Dell G5 Gaming Desktop, also known as the best mid-range gaming PC under $1,000 that can be found on the market in 2021. Let's start by saying that this device sports the latest Intel Core i5-10400 10th generation processor. This is the first time that Intel has provided us with hyper-processing on low and mid-range processors, which is awesome. This CPU has 6 cores, 12 threads, a base frequency of 2.9 GHz, and a maximum turbo frequency at 4.3 GHz. And thanks to hyper-threading, it is now capable of multiple tasks in handling larger workloads. This computer also packs the GTX 1660 Super, a great GPU that will allow you to play the latest AAA titles of the gaming world at 50 FPS or higher with maximum settings at 1080p, and with less demanding titles, it'll even allow you to tackle 1440p games. Also, you get a 256GB SSD and a 1TB HDD, which is an amazing combination because you get both speed and size, so you don't have to worry about storage anymore. But that's why this model comes with only 8 GB of RAM. Storage does not affect games, except that it limits the number of games you can install at the same time. RAM, on the other hand, plays a huge role when it comes to gaming. However, the Dell G5 is one of the cheapest systems on this list. This doesn't justify the amount of RAM, but it gives you space to get another 8 GB device without exceeding the budget, which is a good thing. All in all, this is a solid computer with quite a compact and convenient design, thanks to its dimensions of 12.12 by 6.65 by 14.45 inches, as well as its weight of 16.7 pounds. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. We have now reached the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best gaming PC under $1,000 that can be found on the market in 2021. And the award goes to the Skytech Archangel Gaming Computer PC. The Skytech Archangel Gaming Computer PC is another AMD system, this time featuring an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU. This is a significant improvement over the previous entry, but it comes at a price. That is, the GPU in this system is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. This is by no means a bad GPU, but it pales in comparison to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. However, this processor is a welcome improvement over the previous version for anyone planning to use this computer as a workstation. What is also a big improvement is the motherboard. The Skytech Archangel has a B450 motherboard, offering an adequate number of PCIe slots, decent connectivity, 4 RAM slots compared to 2 on A320 boards, and the ability to overclock the processor. As for RAM, we're very happy that this computer has at least 16 GB to fit a large processor, so you won't have to worry about delays when performing multiple tasks or open multiple Chrome tabs. Unless you're dealing with heavy editing, graphic design, or the like, other than games, you won't have to upgrade RAM anytime soon. Despite that, we would prefer it to be dual channel, but you'll only get 16 GB device, not 2 8 GB devices. This computer comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse, as well as pre-installed Windows 10, and you also get a 1-year warranty in case of unexpected failures. The Skytech Archangel is a great computer that strikes a good balance between gaming and productivity. This GPU will allow you to play Assassin's Creed Odyssey at a solid 55 FPS, Witcher 3 at 60, Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 70, Battlefield 5 at 85, Fortnite at 100 solid, and Overwatch at 130 FPS at maximum settings. These are just a few examples, but you get the point. Additionally, the Ryzen 5 3600 is an unlocked processor paired with a B450 motherboard, which means you'll be able to overclock it seamlessly if you need to. Just make sure you have the right cooling solution for the type of overclocking you're doing. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. After all the carefully summarized opinions, experiences, and reviews, we have unanimously concluded that the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme is the best overall gaming PC under $1,000 that can be found on the market in 2021. When you think of a powerful gaming computer at an affordable price, the offer of CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme comes as an obvious favorite. It fits between the top BattleBox Ultimate and CyberPowerPC's Gamer Master Series, showing impressive strength. We are looking at well-stocked gaming gear with powerful components, beautiful design, and even virtual reality capabilities. It has a compact and elegant design decorated with red LEDs and side glass panels with easy access. The lightweight Intel next-generation processor, along with the 4GB AMD Radeon RKS 580 graphics card, make it a high-power gaming computer. Also, the device boasts a very powerful graphic department for the latest titles in virtual reality games. It can also be used for complex content creation tasks, including multitask actions. The addition of DVI, HDMI, and 2 display ports, 6 USB 3.1 slots, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 7.1 channel audio, and a keyboard and gaming mouse, along with a powerful discrete graphics card, make this fella a PC designed to support smooth multimedia and gaming experience. The front and side panels of the body are made of tinted tempered glass, which not only offers a good overview of the internal components, but is also easily accessible. Whether you're playing mid-level games with 60 frames at 1080p or heavy games with 144 FPS at 4K image resolution, CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme can deliver it all. The Gamer Xtreme VR series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-fast DDR RAM that easily handles intensive system tasks, such as HD video and game playback. With powerful and discrete video cards, the Gamer Xtreme VR series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience. Overall, this fella delivers a top-notch performance, high quality, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.